Here's a 2018 Fiat 500X. Whether your itinerary includes picking up the kids from school or navigating city streets looking for a secret restaurant or hot new club, this stylish Italian crossover is ready to perform. And it comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto dimming rearview mirror, heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com observes, on the outside, the 500X looks like a larger raised version of the 500 that also got a dose of machismo. Fiat, an Italian feast for the eyes. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.